Hello everyone, my name is Vasilina Frolova-Carneiro and I've already told you about what Inpaint models are and why they are necessary. If you missed that video, I'll leave a link to it in the description. Now let's look at a situation that you might encounter at any time. I've generated this image of a girl and I want to recolor her hair in pink. To do this, I select her hair, write their prompt, adjust the settings, start the generation, and yes, it's clearly not what I want to see. I definitely need an Inpaint model. But when I go to the main models page, I find that it doesn't exist. I'll have to create it myself. To do that, open this section in Stable Diffusion. To create a model based on another model, we need to know its parent. Most often, this will be Stable Diffusion v1.5. Below the video, you'll find two lines that need to be inserted into Paperspace to download the necessary source files. You can also download the files to your computer using the links provided in them. After installing these models, in the first field, choose Stable Diffusion Inpaint. In the second field, select our model, and in the third field, simply select Stable Diffusion 1.5. Come up with a file name. After this, set the value to 1. Then select the Add Difference setting, choose the format you prefer, and I recommend using safe tensors unless you're working in a system that only accepts the first format. Now press the button and wait for about a minute. The finished model will be saved in your Temp Models folder. If you want to keep this model for future use, download it from the Paperspace interface and add it to your permanent folder. Let's evaluate what we have achieved. Perform the same settings, but install our new model and start the generation. Done. This result is significantly better. Now, you'll always be able to create an Inpaint version of any model and generate with its help. And to ensure that more useful content keeps coming on this channel, please like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. I'll be bringing you new videos on working with neural networks.